What is going on, people? Mark from Double Clutch Auto Reviews here, and thank you so much for tuning in for another video. This is my ride-along footage around the track in this absolutely incredible S14 build. This car is owned by a gentleman named Chris Clark. He bought this 1995 Nissan 240SX or S14 chassis that started its life off as a boring USDM automatic 4-cylinder. He completely gutted it, stripped it of everything, ripped its heart out, and completely rebuilt it from the ground up with scrutinizing detail to make a fully dedicated track car. He added tons of autocross / road racing focused upgrades, including suspension, brakes, wheels and tires, racing seats with harnesses, a full roll cage, a gigantic wing, and he threw in a glorious RB25 with a Garrett 3071R turbo. He's currently making 500 horsepower at 22 PSI, which is fairly tame and comfortable for what this engine is capable of putting out. He also gave it its own facelift by swapping it to an S15 front and rear end. Chris takes me on a full send rip around the track in this beautiful beast of a car, and it sounds so dang good, as expected, of course. This car is so cool, it even has its own article written about it by Motor Trend. How sick is that? I will also link that in the description below. Sit back, relax, and enjoy watching me giggle like a little schoolgirl riding around in this insane car.
Alrighty, my friend, let's go. Woo-hoo! Right here?
Yeah. Yep, get that nice and tight.
Jesus, okay, good enough. Let's rock, my man.
So we'll do 3-4 laps?
Send it, yeah, whatever you want. I'm just happy to be here.
We'll get warm and then we'll give it a raise.
Oh my God, it sounds so good. power than me.
I think I lost power steering.
Yeah, okay. Well, that was fun while it lasted. We have some air bubbles in his coolant, so this is the parade lap. Smile and wave, boys, smile and wave. Yeah, I can smell it a little bit. Well, that was incredible while it lasted, folks. Thank you again, man. That was awesome. Hell yeah, brother.